Under federal tax law, money received from working is taxable, but money received as a scholarship is tax-free. What if an employer gives an employee money to pursue education in exchange for the employee's promise to return to the employer afterward? Is that considered taxable income or a tax-free scholarship? The United States Supreme Court answered this question in Bingler v. Johnson. Westinghouse Electric Corporation offered a fellowship program for employees to pursue doctorate degrees in subjects relating to Westinghouse's business. Under this program, if an employee needed to complete preliminary requirements, Westinghouse gave the employee paid time off each week for those studies and reimbursed tuition expenses. When an employee began a doctoral program, Westinghouse gave the employee full-time leave, full benefits, and a stipend based on the employee's salary. In exchange, the employee had to get Westinghouse's approval for the dissertation topic and promised to work for Westinghouse for 2 years after obtaining the doctorate degree. Richard Johnson and 2 other employees participated in this program, obtained doctorate degrees, and returned to work for Westinghouse as promised. Westinghouse treated the employee's stipend money as income and withheld federal income taxes from the payments. All 3 employees sued John Bingler, the district director of the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, for a refund of that tax money. The employees claimed that the stipend payments were tax-free scholarships for education, not income for work performed. At trial, the district court instructed the jury to apply a Treasury regulation interpreting Tax Code Section 117. The regulation stated that if a student received money in exchange for past, present, or future work, that money couldn't be a tax-exempt scholarship, even if it was primarily intended to pay for the student's educational expenses. Applying the regulation, the jury found that the stipends weren't scholarships. The court ruled that the employees owed income tax on the stipend payments. The employees appealed. The Third Circuit vacated the verdict, ruling that the Treasury regulation was invalid because it misinterpreted the tax code's definition of a scholarship. However, other circuits had ruled that the same Treasury regulation was valid. The United States Supreme Court granted cert to resolve the circuit split about the regulation's validity.